This video will teach you how to read the tire. The number 175 means the width of the tire. The wider the tire, the more stable the vehicle. The number 65 means the ratio of the tire. The higher the ratio, the more load it can carry. The letter R means that this is a radial tire, whereby the nylon cords inside are arranged vertically. The number 15 means the inner diameter of the tire, which is 15 inches. The maximum load capacity of the tire is 500 kilograms, and the maximum pressure is 350 kilopascals. The letter H means the tire's speed rating, whereby the maximum speed it can reach is 210 kilometers per hour or 130 miles per hour. The number 0624 means the production date of the tire. It should be read in reverse. So 24 means the year 2024, and 06 means the 6th week of 2024.